What do you do when you go in the tunnel?
Okay.
No one's honking.
There's no.
We're the only.
I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Right there.
Is 11 o'clock and we still have yet to make it to Gulf Shores. Hobby Lobby. TJ Maxx will get you.
No, extra espresso shot.
Extra shot.
You want extra espresso shot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's going to come with 3. How many extra would you like?
Jack, we're fixing to be. There's already 3 shots in this and we just asked for another one. Back there.
Bam.